So the E-Track comes in a variety of lengths, styles, and finishes. The first style is the vertical E-Track, which runs vertical on the walls of the truck or trailer. This length is available in 5 foot only on the vertical. The horizontal, which is this example here on the wall, runs horizontally on the wall or truck or trailer. The slots always face the same direction. So whether the track is running vertical on the vertical track or horizontally on the horizontal track, the slots will always run the same way. The horizontal style is available in 2 foot, 5 foot, 8 foot, and 10 foot. And each of these is available in either the galvanized finish shown here, which is desirable for higher moisture environments like refrigerated trailers, construction trailers. It's also available in a painted gray option. The track is relatively easy to cut with a metal blade, either on a circular saw or chop saw. Just make sure to wear your safety glasses, gloves, and all proper PPE equipment. One important note on the 10-foot track, due to the oversized length, it needs to ship LTL, so it may incur additional shipping charges. Reach out to our shipping team or our freight team for more information on the shipping charges for the 10-foot. The 2-foot through 8-foot lengths can all ship FedEx or UPS ground, so really easy to ship.